Hello guys, now in this particular video we are going to cover about the most important command, that is the uptime command. Okay, so this is a very simple command and it will not take much time. So let me introduce you first with what is this. And so basically uptime is a command which is basically we use to find the how long the server is running. Okay, so let's start with the implementation part. So I will just hit uptime. Oh sorry, it's uptime, and here you can see it's 185151, that is 651, and up since 34 minutes, like from right now it's 651. As you can see, it's 652 right now, and now it's running till 34 minutes, and number of users who are logged in, that is only one user is logged in, and this is the average load you can see. Okay, so to get the output in a very easy way, to in an understandable way, as this is there are multiple things here like current time, uptime, okay, users. Okay, so but before that let me increase the font size. I forgot to increase. Okay, so I can use different options. You can use -s to see what are the options available. So here you can see -p, it will show uptime in pretty format. So let's use this and let's check whether output comes in pretty format or not. So uptime -p, we are done. Okay, so the server is running from it's running since 35 minutes. Okay, let's use another option. We will use -s. So it's the time at that time was 6:17. Okay, now it's 6:53. Okay, so and you can check the version of this uptime command using -v. Okay, this is something 3.3.17. Okay, so I hope you liked it guys, this video. So as this command is basically useful when you go in a corporate and you need to fetch some server uptime, whether the server is running or not. Okay, so in that case you can use this basically command. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching.